Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I have a box to open. Matt sent me a box. We've been talking back and forth in the comments for a while now. And he said, I got some stuff I want to send you. Always happy to get stuff. So when we got back from the doctor today, I found this on the porch. And I haven't had time to get to it to open it. What with other things being a priority when you're taking care of all this stuff. I decided we're going to come out here to the workshop and we're going to open this box and see what's in it. Nicely done. It all arrived in good condition. Ooh, cool stuff. Look at this. Oh, this is awesome. This is a tool pouch to end all tool pouches. This baby's got look at that, look at that. It's got everything. I cannot believe how much space this thing has in it. Tool pouch after tool pouch after tool pouch, and very adaptable. Matt, thank you. This is so cool. I cannot believe you sent this to me. Let's see if I can get this on. I think I'm bass backwards. Nope. Lots of places to put things. I see I got one hanger here that I'm not using. Let's get that one out. Make sure I got it taken care of. Now, here's some other stuff. Oh, this is a nice pair of pliers. Matt, you shouldn't have. This is too much. Nippers, great for pulling nails. I'm just going to keep opening up things, and you're going to be amazed every time I do it. Titanium framing hammer. Works back there, not a problem. Knife. It's got one of those snap-off blades on it. Tajima. Oop, here's another loop. Oscillating carbide blades. These are wonderful. A full set of Weha Terminator blue impact bits. Matt, you shouldn't have. You spent way too much on a present. This is really very nice. Thank you. They all fit in all these wonderful pockets that I've got here. Set of Milwaukee titanium drill bits. A 5/16 impact driver with a 3/8 and a 1/4 inch Klein ratcheting wrench. Oh, this is so nice. It's got reversible. 7/16, 5/16, 3/8, and 1/4. Because it's stepped. One side is a little bit bigger than the other. This is the 3/8 side. This is the 7/16 side. This is the 5/16 side, and this is the 1/4 inch side. So you can put a different size fastener into that and tighten it down. This is amazing. Oh, full set of drivers. Klein, wonderful tools. 3/4, 5/8. 9/16, 1/2 inch, 7/16, 3/8, 5/16, and 1/4. Everything an electrician needs. Oh, and a holster for my impact driver. Make sure I got it going in right. That's beautiful. Now this is probably not the way Matt would use this, but I'm just trying it out. There. I'm carrying more tools than I've ever carried in a tool pouch. Just one cool thing after the other. Cutters, grippers, strippers, crimper, that's awesome. Cool pair of Klein pliers, Klein tools, best made tools in the US, I believe. Because there's so many great items in this box, I'm going to break down the individual pieces into another video. This is a really great present, Matt. Thank you very much.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.